Hello, hello. This is Steve Reinhardt, AITX CEO, with a weekly video message, and I will share with you what a week. What a week. Probably our greatest PR ever. 785% revenue increase. Unbelievable, right? First quarter over last year's first quarter. Amazing, right? Followed up with a cool 12-unit order PR, and yet rampant rumors and other actions drag our share price down. Terrible. I hate it. But I can't be too upset because I know what we've got coming down, and I know how the outstanding share count will be stabilized, and I know how we're going to raise money, and all of that will be revealed over time. But it's definitely not the dilution in my mind that's bringing it down. There's not that much dilution, and it's not in anybody's interest to have the share at 5 cents. Everybody wants the share at 50 cents. It doesn't make sense. So people will hold their shares. But I have a new theory on it. I think that the bulk of traders in the OTC are what I'm calling momentum traders. So I think that if a stock's going down, they're going to sell, and if a stock's going up, they're going to buy. And I'm not saying it makes any sense. But I think that the vast majority of people in the stock do not know what they're buying. I think they're following rumors and stuff, either up or down. But I know that the people watching this video are our AITX community, and I know that you know what's going on in the company because I share it, and you guys are all involved in it, so I thank you for that. And I know we're going to get back, and I know we're going to get back better than we ever were before. So I want to just definitely mention that the folks who are watching this, you guys know the business. I hope you're doing well. I hope you bought low. I hope you're getting ready for the next run that I hope to have. And I hope you're helping the rest of the trader community see what the company is really doing and see that the stock price is not compatible with the actual business. So please be vocal out there. It helps us all. But I'm certainly looking for stabilization at a much higher rate than we're at right now. Yesterday's tweet/video covered some comments on the stock action, so check that out again if you haven't watched it before. But really what I want to do on this weekly address is talk more about the business. We had a great week. Obviously the PR, some sales. A couple of us are headed to Vegas on Sunday for an annual trade show. And very interesting. I want to make a point. Very interesting. Vegas appears to now have brought back mask recommendations. I don't know if it's a requirement indoors or it's just a recommendation. But anyway, one of our big clients, one of our Fortune 100 clients that we have this big deal on the line for, called and said canceled. They canceled. All travel corporate-wide has been canceled because of the resurgence, whatever you want to call it, of COVID. So we're like, okay, well, on the one hand, that kind of sucks because maybe we could have closed the deal, at the show. But on the other hand, what they're buying from us are the Wally HSOs, which is kind of like our COVID type product. And so, maybe the resurgence and maybe some acknowledgement that the pandemic is going to go away slowly and painfully, and there'll be some spikes along the way. Maybe that'll help us close the deal as well. So overall, I feel really good about it. It's a deal I haven't mentioned before. And the point here is I want to say is that we've got many significant deals hanging out there. That's why I'm so confident that we're going to have a year of amazing results. We're already showing it. So I'm working really hard on making Q2 excellent. Of course, we only have 6 weeks left, so there's a lot of work left to do over these next 6 weeks. But lots of big deals out there, lots of progress. I'd like to share that I made big progress with a very interesting potential partner this morning. I've been working on it for a while. We've been tracking each other for a couple years. You guys know I'm not into partners. So for these guys to be a partner, they've got to be special. They've got to be high character. They've got to have a great solution. I think we're going to make that press release in August. And I think it's going to be pretty stunning. So that's going to be exciting if I can get that done. But it'll be a wow moment, in my opinion, and one of many that should be coming out throughout the rest of this fiscal year. Next week is a hardcore grind week. Production, get units built, get them QC'd, get them in customers' hands, close a pile of these big sales that we've just been promised are hanging out there, continue to feed the funnel with more leads. Got some cool stuff happening on the tech side. There's one thing that I've been teasing on the tech side. It's ready. I'm not ready to announce it yet. I want to announce it the right way, but at least some of the media for that is ready. So that'll be a cool announcement, I think. So anyway, that's great. But it should be an awesome week. We're going to be seeing a lot of customers, going to be hanging out with a couple of our colleagues. I'll be back at the Rex on Thursday, which is great. And I want to end by sharing that I will be picking a date in September for an investor meeting at the Rex. So that is going to be the month that it happens. And it's going to be fun to meet more of our investors that I've already met at the first Rex demo. So look out for that date, and if you're in the area or if you're going to come into the area for it, you can start planning around it. We'll figure out the agenda and exactly what we're going to do, but it should be fun. Anyway, that's about it, guys. Q&A tomorrow, and I don't know. I hope everybody survived this week, and look forward to better times next week. But the business is great, and I know we'll get where we're going soon enough. So thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon.